Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Today is a very exciting day because today me and Avi are going to be making a delicious recipe.
Today we're going to make a yummy crumb cake.
That's right! Today we're going to make a New York style crumb cake, which is a perfect pastry to start your morning. Here is a quick list of the ingredients to make this delicious cake.
Milk, butter, brown sugar,
Flour,
sugar, ground cinnamon, baking powder.
To a mixing bowl, add in 1 stick of butter and melt it in the microwave for at least 30 seconds. To the melted butter, slowly add in milk and whisk well. Now add in the sugar and mix well. Silt in flour, baking powder, and mix everything well till it mixes well. Don't overmix the batter. If in case the batter is way too thick, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. To make the filling and topping in a small bowl, add in butter and melt in a microwave. To the melted butter, add in cinnamon powder, brown sugar, and mix well. Add in flour and mix well. Filling and topping is ready to use.
It looks so yummy. Can I eat it?
Yes, you can eat this just like it is. We're also going to teach you how to make a perfect circle to fit in a pan. Simply fold the parchment paper and cut it like this. The perfect circle is ready. This was way too easy. Place the parchment paper in a pan and grease it with butter or cooking spray. Pour in half of the cake batter and spread it to all 4 corners. Sprinkle the filling over top, then pour the remaining cake batter and spread carefully across the top, distributing the filling layer as little as possible. Sprinkle the topping over the top and press lightly. Bake in preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool on wire rack and serve warm. Wow, look how soft this cake is. It's super delicious. I definitely recommend you to make this cake with your siblings or parents because it's super fun and super delicious.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them.
If you like our channel, please
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos.